Fresh salmon, crisp herbs, perfectly portioned ingredients, delivered to millions of homes on the exact same day. But here's the real question. How does a company know exactly how many avocados America will cook next Tuesday? In the world of fresh food, you can't overproduce, you can't stockpile, and you definitely can't guess wrong, because every forecasting mistake turns into waste. This is the story of how HelloFresh turned data into its most powerful ingredient and built one of the most demand-predictive fresh food supply chains in the world. Let's unpack the system behind the dinner and why visibility beats inventory. Fresh food is a race against time. Every hour erodes value, flavor, and margin. Traditional grocery forecasting buffers with inventory, safety stock that spoils. Uncertain demand plus long lead times equals over-ordering and waste. Bulk procurement bets on averages, not on Tuesday's exact recipe counts. Point-of-sale data arrives late. By the time you know, it's already spoiled. HelloFresh flips the script with pre-order windows and weekly cutoffs. Short, repeatable cycles tune procurement to the rhythm of the week. But the challenge remains. Hundreds of ingredients, volatile harvests, regional tastes. Texas isn't New York. Avocado demand spikes in one, herbs in another. Precision is survival. Every step must be demand predictive. Instead of padding with stock, they pad with information. Forecast accuracy climbs because the customer raises their hand before the week starts. Suppliers see orders earlier, harvest closer to ship dates, reduce field-to-box time. Shorter time in the chain preserves freshness and reduces shrink. The payoff isn't just dinner. It's a re-engineered risk profile for perishables. Subscriptions generate a forward signal, who, what, and when, every week. Cohorts create predictability, a statistical backbone for planning. Layer seasonality, grill season, holidays, New Year health kicks. Regional preferences refine the signal further. The confidence band tightens. Less guesswork, less waste. Cutoffs lock the week. Now procurement can buy to near exact counts. Orders roll up from recipes to ingredients in minutes, not days. Suppliers see visibility, not surprise. Alignment replaces expedites. Short hauls, fresh in, fresh out. Results, accuracy up, waste down, fewer fire drills. Menu tests feed the model. Taste drives demand. Demand refines supply. Retention analytics link back to meal mix and portion quality. External signals, weather, sports events, holidays, nudge the plan. Machine learning scales judgment without losing operator control. Humans stay in the loop. The model proposes, operators decide. Every recipe decomposes into a bill of materials. Grams, units, yields. Portion specs translate taste into supply math. Aggregation rolls thousands of choices into precise quantities by region. Yield factors adjust for reality, trim loss, ripeness, pack sizes. Buy in the right pack to minimize leftovers and repack work. Variety sells, but SKU discipline preserves flow. Shared ingredients create scale without boredom. Alternates are pre-mapped, gluten-free, vegetarian, dairy-free. Micro-portioning makes every gram accountable. Quality checks close the loop between spec and box. Orders release in waves. Early for long lead, late for super fresh. Exceptions surface risks. Operators pivot before customers feel it. Advanced shipment notices sync the inbound dock schedule. Dock plans load balance to protect cold chain and labor. Bias approaches zero. Precision compounds week after week. Regional hubs shrink miles to minutes. Freshness rides on distance. Local where possible, national where necessary. Suppliers are scored on freshness, fill rate, and on-time performance. Redundancy without bloating the chain. Market signals flow in. Yields, weather, price swings. Short-cycle planning meetings keep reality in the room. Late adjustments fine-tune high volatility items. Milk runs consolidate without warming the chain. Acceptance is scientific. Temp, appearance, age. Fast pull-down preserves shelf life for the customer. Shared forecasts build trust and cadence. Spec adherence upstream reduces rework downstream. Barcodes connect fields to boxes in the data layer. Contingencies pre-modeled. Alternates slot in with minimal change. Reliability isn't luck. It's synchronized planning. These are not grocery warehouses. They are kitting factories. Zoned flow keeps cold items cold, fragile items protected. Guidance tech raises speed and accuracy. Every gram is checked. Overfill is waste. Underfill is churn. Vision systems catch what eyes miss under pressure. Box design is thermal engineering, not cardboard art. Ice is computed. Ambient temp, transit time, meal mix. Pack geometry protects texture and temperature. Labels tie boxes to routes and delivery windows. Audits prove design in real-world conditions. Labor flexes to the wave. Peaks staffed without overtime burn. Constraints move. So does capacity. Changeovers measured in minutes maintain variety. Issues escalate visually. Response is clocked, not ad hoc. Factory thinking applied to dinner. Temperature is the truth. Measure it everywhere. Minutes out of chill are tracked like gold. Design fights entropy at every transition. Thermal imaging validates assumptions, finds leaks. Transit is part of the cold room, not a gap. Last mile balances density, time windows, and melt risk. Scanning ties the plan to reality on the curb. Proof of delivery closes the loop with the kitchen at home. Failures aren't mysteries. They're inputs to next week's plan. Precision is visible and managed. Freshness must survive the last mile and the last minute. Taste is the final KPI. Feedback returns instantly to forecasting and menu planning. Process control makes dinner predictable. Scale with care. Every doorstep counts. In Fresh, waste is the tax on uncertainty. Accuracy lowers waste, protects margin, funds growth. A few grams off times millions equals real money. Portion precision converts waste into customer value. Lower waste supports sustainability goals without greenwashing. Then came the shock, a global shift to home cooking. Demand spiked. The model flexed instead of breaking. Agile ops absorbed volume with controlled variance. Suppliers scaled with visibility, not panic. Safety became a constraint engineered into the plan. The habit stuck. A larger, steadier subscriber base. Waste reduction funded capacity and innovation. Different models, different leakage. Predictive wins where perishables dominate. Playbooks matured. Surge tested, surge ready. Resilience is built in the off hours, not the headlines. Takeaway 1. Replace safety stock with customer visibility. Build a signal. Subscriptions, pre-orders, intent data. Design for aggregation. Fewer unique inputs, more shared parts. Shorten the miles. Regionalize what spoils fast. Synchronize with suppliers. Visibility is a contract. Engineer your fulfillment for the job. It's kitting, not picking. Treat temperature like inventory. Measure and manage it. Close the loop at the doorstep with proof and feedback. Let waste reduction fund the model. This is a forecasting engine wearing a food brand. For CPG, grocery, and e-commerce, the lesson is clear. In a world where freshness expires daily, the real competitive advantage isn't inventory. It's visibility.